Assalamu alaikum, and again a very big welcome to everyone. So today I will try to solve the second question, actually second midterm question. It's about time series plot, moving average to forecast the production, and fit a multiplicative time series using seasonality adjusted data. So at first I need to put the data on here. So here is my data. So when you are going to put your data, you have at first you have to put your all data in Excel. So when you put every data on Excel, that then your work will be very easy. So here's my data, and I select the data and I put it on here. So here is my data. So the first question is that give a time series plot of the above data. So at first I need to click on stat, then time series, then time series plot. So here's the plot, and I need to select the simple and then press the OK button. And here's the series. I need to select cells on the series, and then I need to press on OK. So here is the time series plot of the cells. So I got the first answer, the time series plots. So this is the time series plot of cells. So another question is there any indication of quarterly variation in the data? So here in from this graph you can easily see that the values are quickly increasing and decreasing. So when the data or value is quickly increasing or decreasing, then we can easily say that the series is stationary. So the second question is that consider quarterly moving average to forecast the production for October to December 2006. Here is my data about 16 rows in October December 2005, and I need to forecast from here to October December to 2006. So I need to select stat. So I need to find the moving average. So time series, then here's the moving average. As I select cells on the variable, MA means moving average length. I need to put here 4 for the quarterly. Then here I have to generate the forecast as the question given below. So number of forecasts I need to put on here 4. From the question I write those things on here. Starting from the origin actually means where the origin start and where we should predict or forecast. So from 16 to forecast the 4. So then I need to click on storage. Then I have to click moving average. Because of that we are trying to find out the moving average. Then I need to click on forecast, so that the question wanted that the forecast. Then I need to select OK. Then result. Then I have to click summary table and result table. There is none of them. So now I have to click on OK. So here I get moving average of cells. So here is my moving average of this data, and here is my forecast. So then if I am gonna find out the central moving average, then again I have to select stat, time series data, moving average. Then I need to click on central moving average. Again the storage is okay, results are okay. Then I have to select OK. So here I got the central moving average is in this row or column, in this column, and here the forecast. So if the questionnaire asks you for the central moving average forecast, then you have to do this, and here it is the moving average and it's central moving average, and I find out the forecast the production of October to December 2006. So the forecast production values are here. So I need to jump over the next question, that is fit a multiplicative time series model using seasonality adjusted data. So I need to firstly tell you that this is very important. So we are using Minitab because of that. In this question, when we are going to do this on Excel, that is very big and very large and it's very time consuming. So I use the Minitab for actually these questions to make it very easy. So at first I have to select stat, then time series, then decompose. So here variable I have to select sales, seasonal length, actually quarterly, then I need to select 4. Here the question asks multiplicative time series model, then I have to select multiplicative, already it has been selected. Then trend plus seasonal. If the question is here on additive, then I have to select on additive. Though this the question is multiplicative, then I have selected multiplicative on here. Then I have to select storage. Then I have to select trend line, seasonally adjusted data. Those are actually ones from the questions. If you want to find out the fit, then you have to select fit, then seasons. You can do it easily. Then okay. Have the results. You have to select summary table and results table. So then you have to select OK. So here are all those. This trending data, seasonal data, seasonal data, and fits. So here all for the question 2. I think hope that you could understand what I'm trying to express yourself. So thanks everyone, and hit a subscribe button and comment below in my comment section. So thank you.